The safety pad attaches to your nail gun's safety plunger. The pad cushions the plunger so it doesn't mar your workpiece. The safety pad can become brittle over time and break off. Often it is simply lost. Replacing the safety pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Installing a new safety pad is simple to do. I'll begin by removing the old one. To remove the safety pad, I just simply pry it off of the safety. To install the new safety pad, I align it so the opening in the pad is facing towards the rear of the gun. Then I align the safety pad with the safety plunger. And just work the safety pad onto the plunger. Like that. And that's how simple it is to replace the safety pad on your nail gun.